My name is Gina Antrim and I am an AAC SLP, and today I'm going to be reading our book, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. It was written and illustrated by Mo Williams. So he's the one that made the story, and he also made the pictures because he's our author and illustrator. All right, today I will be using the word wall poster featuring the Unity vocabulary from PRC. All right, let's get ready to go and open our book. So if we look at the front, we see our friend Pigeon, and it says, "Don't let the pigeon drive the bus." Oh, and there's an exclamation mark at the end. When we see those, that we know that we need to say that sentence or that last word at least with a lot of feeling. All right, here we go again. Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Have feeling with that exclamation mark. All right, we see Pigeon, and he has his eyes closed shut, and we see little white circles leading up to this big thought bubble. That shows us that he's thinking about a bus. And if you look real close, you're going to see that he's in that bus, driving the bus. I think that that means that he really wants to drive a bus. All right, down here, we know that he's talking because the speech bubble's coming out of his mouth. So he says, "Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while. So can you watch things for me until I get back? Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus." So we see him walking away, and he's leaving his bus there. And then on our next page, we see Pigeon, and he's peeking his head around to look and see that there is no one, that would be under my social, no one in the bus. I thought he'd never leave. He thought he was never going to go away. Hey, can I drive the bus? Let's think back to what the bus driver told us a few pages ago. He told us, don't. What do you think we should do? Please, he says, please. I'll be careful. I tell you what, I'll just steer. So that means that he's just going to put his hands on the steering wheel and make it go left or right or straight. And he wants, I guess, us to push the pedal down. He says, my cousin Herb, he drives a bus almost every day. True story. Thinking again. Is it really true? Oh, now he goes, vroom, 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 vroom. Pigeon at the wheel. Oh, I think he's feeling excited. He really wants to drive that bus. And then he pops his leg up and he stops mid-walk and says, "No, I never get to do anything." And his shoulders and everything are just dropped down because he never gets to do anything. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's play drive the bus. And I'll go first. He's already going off the page. He's so excited. He stops. Ah, come on. Just once. Around the block. Oh, he's going to tell us more reasons, I think, on why he should be able to drive the bus. He says, I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5? What's the big deal? It's just a bus. No fair. I bet your mom would let me. I have dreams, you know. Fine. Let me drive the bus. Oh my goodness. Look at our words here. All of the letters in our words are uppercase. They're really big. And we have 3 exclamation points. And they have extra coloring behind them. That means that we needed to read that with a lot of feeling. And look at our pigeon. Whew, he's shaking real fast. He's losing feathers. There's lines coming out of his mouth to show us that he's shouting and he's being really loud. And his eye is red right there. He is not happy and he does not like that he was told no. So he starts to try and think of anything else he could say so that we'll let him drive the bus. And the bus driver comes and he says, because we've got the speech bubble again, I'm back. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Great. Thanks a lot. Uh-oh. He's like, it's time to leave. I gotta go. And the bus driver says, bye. Oh, and Pigeon's feeling down again. He's slumped down and over because he did not get to drive the bus. Hey, he hears and he looks and sees, and there's something different. Oh, different color, different style of tire. It is something different. We've got a big semi-truck. And if we look, Pigeon has his eyes closed again, and he's got the thought bubbles going up to where he's thinking about being the driver of a big semi-truck. The end. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again. Bye.